Hi, I'm looking for a good camera for taking pictures of my travels. Can you recommend something?
Of course. What's your budget?
I'm willing to spend around $500.
Great, we have a few options in that range. Are you looking for a point-and-shoot or a more professional camera?
I'm not a professional, but I do want something that takes high-quality photos.
In that case, I'd recommend a mirrorless camera. They're smaller than DSLRs but take great photos.
That sounds good. Can you show me some models?
Sure, here's one that's popular in your price range. It has fast autofocus and shoots in 4K.
That looks good. But does it have a zoom lens?
Yes, it comes with an 18 to 55 mm lens. But if you want more zoom, we have other lenses you can purchase separately.
I think that lens is good for now. Can I try it out?
Of course. Here's a memory card and battery. You can take some test shots in the store or outside.
This feels good in my hands. And the photos look great on the screen.
I'm glad you like it. Do you have any other questions?
Actually, I'm going on a trip soon. Do you have any accessories that would be helpful?
Yes, we have camera bags, tripods, and extra batteries. Would you like me to show you some options?
Yes, please. And do you offer any warranty or repair services?
Yes, we offer a 1-year warranty on all our products. And if you ever need repairs, we have a service center in the city.
That's good to know. I think I'll take the camera and the bag. How do I pay?
You can pay at the register over there. And don't forget to fill out the warranty form before you leave. Thank you for your business.